गुफा में जरूर जाइएगा, आपको बहुत आध्यात्मिक चेतना की अनुभूति होगी। मैं अधिक समय नहीं लूंगी, क्योंकि इसमें जाएंगे तो बहुत लंबा समय चला जाएगा। आज तो क्योंकि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जब से उन्होंने हमारे पूरा, क्योंकि अब 10 वो हो गए हैं, इसको 10 वर्ष हो चुके हैं, और सीधे हम लोग जब पूरे संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ में इसको रखा गया तो सबने इसको अपनाया कि योग क्योंकि सबके लिए अच्छा है, सबके लिए लाभदायक है। सब पूरे विश्व आज इसको मना रहा है, और आज हम सब लोग बहुत गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं अपने आप को कि हमारी भारत की जो संस्कृति है, जो गौरवशाली विश्व गुरु जो हमारा भारत है, आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस के रूप में उसको मना रहा है। तो मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ, धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि आपने मुझे आज इस दिवस में जोड़ा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत आभार।
थैंक यू सो मच मधु जी फॉर आपने इतनी अच्छी बातें हमें बताई कि, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात जो मुझे लगती है कि अपनी जड़ों से जुड़े रहना बहुत आवश्यक है हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए और डेवलपमेंट के लिए। और योग एक साधन है अपनी जड़ों से जुड़ने का और ऊपर तक अपनी ब्रांचेस को, अपनी शाखाओं को फैलाने का। ऐसा मैंने महसूस किया है कि हम जड़ से भी जुड़े रहेंगे और अपने डेवलपमेंट की तरफ भी जाएंगे। तो आपकी बातों से रियली हम लोग बहुत ज्ञान भी हमें मिला, और ये एहसास आपने दिया कि योग हमारी संस्कृति का मूलाधार है। आई विल इनवाइट एकाग्रता to start the session. Over to you, Ekagrita.
Good evening, everyone. Can I have everybody's video on, and would love to connect visually and see everyone's faces. So it's the best way to connect. At least I can see the eyes. Thank you, Madhu ma'am. Thank you so much for joining this session, and really honored to be here, to be teaching and taking your session today. I am Ekagrita, and I have been taking teaching for 8 years now. और मुझे इतनी खुशी हो रही है आप सबको देख के कि सारी women, all the women are together and on this platform to take a step forward कि हमें एक betterment change लाना है अपनी health के प्रति। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। Welcome everyone and Happy International Yoga Day। आज इस दिवस पे हम लोग एक साथ इकट्ठे हुए हैं। So let's, on this virtual space, let us all connect and mindfully, cultivate that strength together as we begin our journey towards this practice. And thank you for sharing your energy with me on the mat. And without any further delay, हम लोग start करते हैं. Thank you so much, Madhu ma'am, once again for being a part of this yoga session. So today I will be doing a very basic yoga protocol. It's called the International Yoga Days Protocol. So ये जो sequence है, ये खासकर ये beginners के लिए है, ताकि any age group, whatever age you're in, and if you're a beginner, not advanced, everybody can do this protocol. And these are few asanas which will benefit you in basic ways, a very basic practice. So मैं आपको एक sequence में ले जाऊंगी जहाँ हम जो खड़े आसन है, standing poses है वो करेंगे, जो बैठने वाले आसन है वो करेंगे, and then lying down asans with, of course, the most important part of yoga is pranayam. Prana, that is our life, that is our being. So we will of course touch upon that point briefly, but it is best for everyone to know that yoga एक exercise नहीं है, but एक necessity है आज के लिए. You have to practice for this machine to work smoothly. जैसे हम ऑयलिंग करते हैं मशीन में, फ्यूल का डालते हैं तो मशीन चलती रहती है, वैसे ही हमारा शरीर भी एक मशीन है, और उसमें अगर हम ऑयलिंग नहीं करेंगे, फ्यूलिंग नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी रस्ट होने लगती है। आप भी देख सकते हैं कि जैसे आपकी एज, when after 30 you will notice that you start feeling joint pains, some sort of knee pain or shoulders or back. ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि अपने अपने शरीर पे कितना ध्यान देना है। क्योंकि अगर हमारा, जैसे मधु मैम ने बोला था, जैसे अगर हमारा शरीर स्वस्थ है तो हमारा मानसिक स्वास्थ्य भी अच्छा रहेगा। एंड दैट इज, if your body is fit, you can sit for a long meditation. So that is why we say that physically we have to be fit to perform and sit in stillness in meditation for longer hours. तो एक ही तरीका है थ्रू योग जो हम ये कर सकते हैं, एंड योग which is union of mind, body and your spirit. So let's come together and begin this practice for uniting our energy with the universal energy to begin the union and to feel a little bit of union within you. So let's begin our practice. Namaste, everyone. So can we all sit on our mats, please? I hope you all have your yoga mats ready. थोड़ा ऐसे डिस्टेंस पे रखिएगा कि मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ। आप आसना करें तो मैं आपको देख पाऊँ। And would like everybody to put your phones, your videos on mute so that nobody is disturbed. You can only hear my voice and there is no disturbance. Let's all begin. हम लोग पहले सुख आसना में बैठेंगे। सुख आसना जिसमें सुख मिलता है हमको, because we are sitting in a very basic posture. Now how is this performed? आप पहले अपना right foot अंदर लाएंगे और फिर अपना left foot। कोशिश करेंगे कि हम इसको ओवरलैप ना करें, ओपन रखें ताकि हमारी एनर्जी फ्लो होती रहे, राइट? So sitting into Sukhasana, palms on your thighs, कमर सीधी रखें, back absolutely straight, nicely lengthen your spine. And let's begin this practice with taking nice 3 deep breaths. Everyone, please take your position, seated. The most important thing is your posture, to keep your back straight. अगर हम अपनी कमर सीधी रखते हैं तो एनर्जी भी वैसे ही फ्लो करती है, straight. कोई बाधा नहीं आती, कोई हिंड्रेंस नहीं आती। अगर हम मुड़ के बैठेंगे तो एक हिंड्रेंस आ जाता है। सो कमर सीधी, थोड़ा सा चिन ऊपर, and palms rested on your thigh. Close your eyes, please, and let's everyone chant. Begin with first 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, inhale, completely filling in your system with oxygen. आप breath को नीचे तक ले आए, navel तक. Bloat your stomach, expand your lungs, your chest, fill in your entire system with oxygen as you inhale. And then exhale. Slowly releasing. और जैसे ही आप release करते हैं, stomach goes in, chest, clavicle comes down. Once again, inhale. Exhale. Keeping your eyes closed, bring your palms together. दोनों हाथ जोड़े between your chest. We'll begin with chanting a mantra. Om Sahana Bhavatu सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनाधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. You can all bring your palms down, gently open your eyes, and we can now stand up. Let's begin. We will first begin. आप सब खड़े हो जाएं अपने मैट पे. हम लोग पहले वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेस से शुरू करेंगे. That is joint mobility. We will focus on every joint from the head to toe. To mobilize your joint, this can be practiced every day and must be practiced every day. All right. आप अपने मैट पे सीधा खड़े हो जाएं. 2-3 इंच की दूरी रखें अपने पैरों के बीच में. Comfortably standing straight. कमर सीधी. Chin slightly upwards. हम स्टार्ट करेंगे neck rotation से. Now, neck movements and neck rotations are very important for your neuro system. They activate your neuro system. They give a massage to your neuro muscles. So it's very beneficial. It might be very easy, but very beneficial. So inhale. First movement, head up. Inhale, head up. Exhale, chin down towards the chest. Inhale up. Exhale, head down. Tuck your chin down towards your chest. Once again, inhale up. Exhale, down. Next movement, looking forward. Inhale, look towards your right side, chin over your right shoulder. And back forward again. Inhale, exhale, chin towards your left. Chin आपके left shoulder के ऊपर रहेगा. Exhale, forward. Again, inhale, exhale, right. Inhale, forward. Exhale, left. Inhale, forward. Next movement है neck bending sideways. Inhale in front. Exhale. आप अपनी गर्दन right side झुकाएं, but कोशिश करें not to lift your shoulder up. And you can feel that nice stretch on the left side of your neck here. Once again, inhale straight. Exhale again left side. So आपका कान left shoulder की तरफ, but without lifting your shoulder. Once again, inhale forward, exhale right, inhale straight, back to the center, exhale left, and again back to the center. Now neck rotation. Bring your chin down towards your chest. Inhale, right side se rotate shuru karte hue, bring your head towards the right, take it back, and then towards the left shoulder, and then back to the center. From here again, inhale, bring your head towards the left shoulder. Exhale, going back. Inhale, coming forward, back to the center. फिर से हम यहीं से शुरू करेंगे from the right. Inhale towards the right. Take your head back and towards the left. Back to the center. One last time. Inhale, left, back, and right, and back to the center. Now, look forward. Next, arm rotation for your shoulder joint. Inhale, both your arms go straight up. Nicely extending your spine, lengthen, up inhale, exhale, arms down. Breathing को साथ में रखें. Inhale, up. Nicely flow with the energy. Up. Exhale, down. Bring your arms down. One last time. Inhale, up. Arms go straight up. Extend your arms. Exhale, down. Next movement. Rotation. Inhale. Both your arms go straight up. Chest open करते हुए दोनों arms पीछे. Once again. Inhale, up. Exhale, back. Once again. Inhale, up. And exhale, down, up, reverse. Inhale, up, arms पीछे, फिर ऊपर, and exhale, down. Once again, inhale, up, come on, very nice. And exhale, down. बहुत अच्छा, सब लोग करते रहे. Inhale, up, one last time. And exhale, down. Nice. Next, your trunk movement, waist. आप ऐसे ही खड़े रहें, both your arms forward, straight, shoulder level. आर्म अपनी arms में strength रखें, ढीला ना छोड़ें. Hold them firm and tight. Inhale forward, exhale, bring both your arms right back, pointing behind. और आप सामने देखेंगे, आपका chin left shoulder के ऊपर है, while your arms are pointing back behind. Once again, inhale forward. Exhale, दोनों palms पीछे की तरफ point कर रहे हैं, fingers point कर रही है, आपका chin right shoulder के ऊपर है. And do as much as you can. Inhale forward. Exhale right. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके body में कोई pain है, exhale forward. Once again, inhale and then exhale left side. One last time. आगे देखिए, सामने देखिए. Again, inhale forward. Now from here, bring your palms on your knees, just above your knee, just above your knee joint, right? Keep your hips slightly bent. I will show it to you sideways so that it's easy for you. Inhale, right? Inhale, straighten your knee. Exhale, थोड़ा सा bend करते हुए. अगर आप पूरा नीचे जा सकते हैं, try and sit down. Right, once again, inhale, up. अगर आपसे नहीं बैठा जा रहा है, that's absolutely fine. Just go halfway down. Inhale, exhale, down. आप इतना ही जाएंगे बस. अगर आपसे नहीं बैठा जा रहा है, okay. And straighten your legs. One last time. Inhale and exhale, down. And then in, up. Right. Great. Moving on towards the toes. Bring your right foot up. Keep the balance on your left foot. Arms आपके सीधे रहेंगे. Right. Rotate twice your ankle. Clockwise. And then anti-clockwise. Twice each, and then bring your leg down. Left leg. Inhale up and then rotate your ankle. Nicely stretch. थोड़ा effort लगा के rotate करें. 2 times clockwise and 2 times anti-clockwise. Right. And exhale. Bring your foot down. So we have mobilized our joints. Let's begin with standing asanas. हम शुरू करेंगे ताड़ासना से पहले. So stand with your feet slightly apart, only 2 inches apart. Right? Inhale, दोनों हाथ ऊपर. Interlock your fingers. Yes, and turn your palms towards the ceiling, upwards. And inhale, अपने toes पे balance करते हुए, absolutely straight. Right. Now look at one point, any point in front of you. आपका balance इससे अच्छा होता है. आप एक ही point पे देखिए. And exhale, bring your heels down. We do that thrice. Once again, inhale up, nicely come up on your toes. Arms को पूरा ऊपर तक stretch करिए, ढीला मत छोड़िए. Keep some strength in your arms. Palms facing upwards and exhale down. Once again, inhale up. Right, and exhale Bring your arms down. Next, we are going to go into Vrikshasana, tree pose. So, इसके लिए पहले आप right foot उठाएंगे and place your right foot on your inner side of your left thigh. Now, if you're a beginner, if you haven't done this before, if it's difficult for you to balance, please do this as per your comfort. आप अपना पैर काफ पे या फिर हल्का सा जमीन छूते हुए टोज को नीचे भी रख सकते हैं. But try putting your foot, your sole onto your inner thigh. Inhale, both your arms go straight up. Now again, the trick over here is to look forward. एक spot ढूंढ लीजिए, 1 point, 1 dot. And continuously look at the dot. And stand tall as a tree, nice and strong. Keep your left foot firm on the ground. Take few breaths here. And exhale, slowly bringing your arms down and then release your right leg. Next, bring your left leg up, your left foot up. Place your foot, your sole on the inner thigh, your right inner thigh. So जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था, if it is difficult, you can do the other variation. Inhale, both your arms go straight up. Now balance, looking at one point in front. This gives a lot of strength to your legs, building up your leg muscles, your balance on the mat, off the mat in life. These balancing postures are amazing. And exhale, arms नीचे करते हुए आप अपना leg भी release करिए. Right. Moving on next into Trikonasana. Trikonasana, if you have a very acute sciatica pain, please avoid this. And do as much as your body allows you. So stand with your legs apart. Leg का distance कितना होना चाहिए? आपकी एक leg की length. So you can always measure and then come up. Right? Now, comfortable distance with your right foot pointing out. आपके दोनों heels एक line में होनी चाहिए. Right foot pointing out. Alignment in yoga is extremely important. As much as it can benefit, but if you do wrong alignment, it can also worsen the effect. So arms आपके shoulder level. Trikonasana. Bring your right palm on your right leg and your left arm up. Slowly bringing your right palm down, dragging your right palm down. अब इसमें देखिए आप don't start bending your left shoulder. Keep your left shoulder behind, pulling the right shoulder forward. And go down as much as your body is allowing you. You don't have to force yourself at all in yoga. It has to be a very gradual change. So, left arm up. All right. And slowly coming up. Releasing the asana, lifting your arm up and bring your right foot forward. Now, point your left foot out. Both your arms straight, shoulder level. Again, आपकी heels दोनों एक line में होनी चाहिए. Now, bring your left palm on your left leg, dragging your left palm down और right arm को सीधा ऊपर. अब आप अपना left shoulder आगे को लाते हुए push your right shoulder behind. Now go down as much as you can. And looking up towards your right palm, but अपनी neck को एकदम ढीला ना छोड़े. Hold your neck. Take a few breaths here. And now inhale, up both your arms straight and your feet together. Now both your arms go straight up. Both your arms straight up, join your palms together, slightly keep your feet angled outwards. Now, adding on to this is just one exercise to open up your inner thighs before we move on to further asana. So inhale, palms together, exhale, coming into a nice squat. Yes. Inhale, up again. Both your arms go straight up. And exhale. Aapki back kamar seedhi honi chahiye. Back straight. Open the chest, palms in the center. Right, inhale, up again. Right, exhale, down. All right, from here, release your arms. Now bring your feet together. Moving on to Padhasta Asana, that is forward bending to feel the extension of the spine. I'm going to stand sideways to show you. Inhale, both your arms go straight up. I hope आप लोग follow कर रहे हैं. Please. Yes, arms straight up. Inhale, please listen to your body. It's very important. Exhale, slowly down. अब आप हाथों को आगे खींच दो. Extend your arms forward nicely. And then bend down as much as you can. जितना आप कर सकते हैं. How much ever your body is allowing you today. Now bring your palms down as much as you can bend forward. If you're not able to go down, that's absolutely fine. Till wherever you are. And leave your head down. Feel the stretch on your lower back, hamstrings, calf muscles. Take a few breaths here. If you want, you can even bend your knees slightly अगर आपके back पे pressure आ रहा है. Inhale up. Both your arms go straight up, releasing the posture. Up and exhale. Down. Right. From here, moving on, we're going to go into seated posture. Sit down into Dandasana. So what you're going to do is spread your legs straight in front. Now this is a very important asana. If you have a bad posture and if you want a good posture, it's very good, it's very easy one. So keep your palms. Sometimes we underestimate these easy movements, but they're very, very beneficial. So keep your palms next to your hip, just in line with your hip. Feet together, toes pointing up, and now push the ground away और अपनी spine को extend करके सीधा बैठे. So you can feel how your spine just lengthens up. All right, inhale, both your arms go straight up, coming into Uttanasana. Arms up and exhale, slowly forward bending. Exhale करते हुए, bringing your belly down, your chest down, and then hold on to your big toe with your index finger on your first finger. So curl your index finger around your big toe. And हमारा aim है not to bring the head down to the legs, but to bring your belly down towards your thighs, right? That's where you can feel the stretch on your lower back. Head down, your chest down. Stay there for a couple of breaths, 2-3 breaths here. Whenever you're in an asana, in a posture, try to feel your muscles, your ligaments, which are working at that moment. That helps in releasing the stiffness even better. Inhale up, both your arms straight up. जैसे ही आप नीचे गए थे, वैसे ही ऊपर आना है. Inhale, both your arms up. And exhale, down. Coming into Bhadrasana, butterfly pose. From here, you are going to bring your feet, your soles together. And अपने feet को bring into your Mooladhara. Try and tuck your feet in towards your Mooladhara as much as you can. And remember never to force yourself. Interlock your fingers and hold on to your toes here. Now sit up with your back nice and straight. Your knees down towards the ground if you can. And you can just flap your knees gently. Close your eyes for 2 to 3 breaths. Just feel the stiffness release from the inner thighs. Next, you can open your eyes, and now we are going to go into Vajrasana. Very basic. From your right leg को पीछे मोड़ेंगे, and then left leg को भी पीछे की तरफ मोड़ेंगे, and you're sitting on your soles, on your feet. So that's how you're sitting. I'm going to turn on the side to show you. Right. See, if you have not been practicing for long, if you have a little bit of stiffness, you might feel pain in your ankle. So we'll try and sit here for a couple of breaths, right? Keep your palms on your thighs, keep your back nice and straight. Again, lengthen your spine, inhale and exhale. ये आसन आप सब जानते होंगे कि when you eat your meals, after that it's very nice to sit in Vajrasana. It's actually very beneficial for your food digestion. So if you want to feel that, you must sit after meals like this. Inhale. Let's move into Shashankasana. Both your arms straight up. So when I'm saying straight up, try and lengthen your spine. You should feel that length. Inhale and exhale slowly down. Slowly bring your belly down, chest down, and your head down, coming into a nice Shashankasana. Bring your head down. Stay here for a couple of breaths. You can feel the little stretch on your lower back. You can feel your tummy being squeezed in. You can feel that stretch on your sides also. And again, inhale up. Right, exhale, bringing your arms down. Next asana, we are moving into Uttan Mandukasana. So, upright frog. Again, I'm going to show you, आप ऐसे ही बैठिएगा. All you have to do is widen your knees. Widen your knees as much as you can. And you're also sitting on your soles. Right, अब आप, तो मैं पीछे से दिखाऊंगी, आप ऐसे ही बैठे रहे. Right, you're sitting on your soles, knees apart, both your arms go straight up. And now bring your right palm on your left shoulder blade and your left palm on your right shoulder blade. This is an excellent asana to open up the chest, the upper abdomen. Stay here for a few breaths. Feel the muscles, feel the little tendons in your body, feel the blood flow. And again, release dono arms upar. And exhale, slowly bringing your arms down. Now from here, you can release and sit again straight. Now, according to me, this is also very important asana. It's not mentioned in the protocol, but I feel that Janu Sheesh asana is it's very important for your back and your internal muscles, your leg muscles, which tend to stiffen. So I'm going to also practice Janu Sheesh asana with you. So you fold your right leg. आप अपने पैर सीधे करके बैठे, फिर अपना right leg fold करें this way. Keep your right heel, your right sole touching your inner left thigh. Inhale, both your arms go straight up. And exhale, you don't have to join your palms, keep your palms open. Right, straight. And exhale slowly down, belly down, chest down, and then hold on to your foot or if you want, place your palms on the ground, on the mat. Yes, I'll shake you sideways and exhale down. Right, here also, you can feel that stretch on your left thighs, your left calf. Keep your toes pointing upwards, toes, your left toe. Head down, your belly touching your thigh. Inhale up, arms go straight up, and exhale down. Now, with the other leg, you release your right leg, fold your left leg in. Again, your left sole touching your right inner thigh. Sitting nice and straight, both your arms go straight up. Inhale. Very nice. Exhale down, belly down, chest down, and your head down. So the aim is not to bring your head down. हम क्या करते हैं? हम अपना head को नीचे करने लगते हैं. But try and feel your belly touching your thigh so that you can feel that stretch from the back. And again, do as much as your body is allowing you today. Inhale up. Both your arms go straight up. And exhale down. Right. From here, moving on to Ushtra Ardha Uttanasana, camel pose. So come up onto your knees. You're kneeling down. Yes. Place your palms on your back, your lower back. Both your palms together, elbows pointing behind. Right? I hope you all are with me. Great. From here, you push your hip forward and you open up the chest to bend your head behind. Do that with ease as much as you can. Take 2 breaths. And come back to the center. Right, now we'll do a complete Ushtrasana. Those of you who can practice, we'll give an attempt. Same way, bring your palms behind on your back, lower back, palms pushing your hip forward. Now, release your right hand, place your right hand on your right heel, and then your left hand on your left heel. So, feel your chest nicely expands and opens up. Now, bring your head down, bending back. Widen your chest. Take a few breaths. And now, coming back, place your palm one by one on your back and then release the posture. Do it very gently, not in a hurry. Now, exhale, slowly come down. And once again, we will come into Shashankasana. Jab hum forward, backward bends karte hain, you have to do the counter pose to release, to ease the joint. So we're going to do Shashankasana in a different way. You can keep your arms extended besides your leg and your head down. Let me see you all doing it. Very nice. Take a few breaths, 2 more breaths here. And now you can bring your arms forward. Bring your arms forward and you can lie down. Come, bring your hip forward and then lie down on your stomach. Now we are moving on to your lying down posture, which is on your stomach first. The prone poses. Continuing with Bhujangasana. Place your palms close to your chest. I hope you all can see me. Place your palms close to your chest. Forehead down. Keep your elbows close to your body, your feet together. Now, inhale, lift your head up, your chest up, pushing the palms against the floor. Apne palms ko push karte hue, you're pushing away the ground and lifting your chest up. Now, this is wrong. Do not bring your shoulders to your ears. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. So you're keeping your arms nice and strong. Don't leave your body loose. Keep your shoulders down, chin up. So your chest is open. Pull your shoulders back and your heels together. Exhale, slowly come down. We'll do that one more time. Inhale, up, lift your head up, chest up, and your belly up. Very nice. Looking forward, shoulders pulled back. Right, and again, exhale, down. Now, release your arms and come into Makar Asana. Makar Asana, bring your palms one on top of the other. palms एक के ऊपर एक रखें और अपनी टो बिग टो को साथ में रखते हुए अपनी हील्स को नीचे गिरा दें एंड ब्रिंग योर राइट चीक और योर लेफ्ट चीक on your palm. So this is a relaxing posture. One can feel really relaxed in this. If you lie down on this posture for long, you might fall off asleep. Okay, take few breaths here before we move on. Gather some strength. We're moving on to Shalabhasana. Now, bring your chin on the mat. While you raise your right side of your body, place your right hand underneath your pelvic and then lift the left side of your body, placing your left palm underneath your pelvic. Now, here, it's better if you keep your fingers interlocked. ऐसे आप ज़्यादा strength use कर सकते हैं, core strength to lift your legs up. Right, so here you go. If you want, you can look at me first. Now, extend your chin forward, place your chin on the mat. Shalabhasana. Here, you're going to inhale and then try and lift your feet up. Exhale down. एक बार और कोशिश करेंगे. Inhale. Both your legs up. The trick is to push the palms down towards the floor to lift your legs up. And exhale down. Now release your palms. Bring your palms back close to your chest. Again, coming into Bhujangasana. Bring your head up, your chest up. And now lift your hip up. As you lift your hip up, go back and sit into Shashankasana again. So Shashankasana is a very nice pose to give a break to your sequence. To give you some relaxation in the middle. It eases your back also. And now lift your hip up. And up hum aayenge supine pose mein, lying down on your back. Lie down flat on your back. Right, first we're going to do is Ardha Hal Asana. So इसके लिए आप पहले bring your palms underneath your hip. I'm doing this so that you feel a little bit of support. So you can place your palm underneath your hip. आप एक-एक करके पैर उठाएं. अगर आप दोनों पैर एक साथ नहीं उठा सकते हैं. So inhale, lift your legs up, taking a slight push. So push from the arms and then lift your hip up. Right? If you can, then place your feet behind. Oh, I think I'm falling short of space, but Yes, bring your feet behind. If you can, or just keep your legs up if you're a beginner. And then release your arms, place your palms back on the mat. This is a complete halasana. और अब अपनी कमर पे हाथ रखते हुए you can release the posture, holding on to your back. Slowly, slowly lift. Keep your hip down and then your feet flat on the mat. Next, moving on to Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Keep your feet shoulder distance apart, arms besides your body, and your middle finger touching your heel. That is the distance between the heel and the hip. It's the length of your arm. Now, keep your chin down towards your chest. अपनी chin को अपनी chest के अंदर tuck करें, so that you activate your thyroid glands. It's an excellent posture for thyroid. So now you lift your hip up, pressing the floor down. Lift your hip up. Tuck your chin towards your chest and try and pull your knees together. You can feel your back strengthen. And exhale slowly down. We'll do that one more time. Inhale up. दोनों हाथों को जमीन से push करते हुए lift your hip up. Tuck your chin into your chest to activate your thyroid glands. And slowly exhale down. Now, from here, we are coming into Pavan Muktasana. इसमें आप अपनी feet, heels उठाएंगे. Bring your knees towards your chest. और अपने आप को एक अच्छा सा hug देंगे. So nicely hug your knees, hug yourself, give yourself a nice big hug. Pressing your knees towards your chest, and now you can lift your head up, try and touch your chin to your knees. Releasing all the unwanted gases from your system. All the toxins out. Take a few breaths. Keep your breath constant. Flowing slightly deeply. And exhale, bring your head down. Right. Release your arms and bring your feet down on the mat. Now, from here, we will do one twisting posture. Hip twisting. This is not then the protocol, but it's a nice posture to release the pain. You know, if you have a little stiffness on your lower back. Now, इसमें आप keep your palms underneath your head or elbows down towards the ground. Right, very nice. Now, keep your feet to the distance of the mat. अपने पैर, अपने दोनों पाँव अपने mat के ऊपर रखें as wide as the mat, to the distance of the mat, the length of the mat. Very nice. Now, bring both your knees down towards the right side. Without lifting your elbows up. Keep your elbows pressed down towards the ground. All right, inhale up. You can feel that nice twist on your back, the stiffness release, bringing both your knees down towards the ground. Nicely pressing the knees towards the ground. Now, you might feel a little pain, but that is good pain on the back, which is just releasing your stiffness. And inhale. Come back to the center. Now, we will sit up. So, turn towards the right side. Try not sitting up with your, pushing your back, taking that force. Always try and turn towards the right side and then sit up. This keeps your back strong, doesn't give a jerk on your back. All right. Let's sit up. I hope you're all with me, all fine. This brings us to the end of our asanas. And now we're going to come to work on our breath, our prana. I'll introduce you to few pranic exercises. So we will first begin with Kapalabhati, which is releasing the toxins out from your system, right? It is the best way to energize your system in the morning when you wake up. This is the first breath practice which you must do before any of the breath practices. So Kapalabhati. Let's see how it is done. So sit with your back absolutely straight. Again, let the energy flow. Keep your feet apart, not overlapped. Bring your palms onto your thighs. Keep your palms into Chin Mudra. At all times, make sure that your back is absolutely straight. Again, the reason being, you are going to cause hindrance if you sit with a hunched back. So always sit up straight. Even while eating your meals or walking or sitting wherever, just try and keep your posture. It looks very elegant. It looks like you're holding yourself up. You have a spine to hold. So sit up nice and straight. Close your eyes. You can first observe once before you start. So what you have to do is, keeping your eyes closed, you take a deep breath, inhale. As you inhale, you're going to fill in oxygen, and then we will start. I'm going to give you the cue, 1, 2, 1, 2. So at the count of 1, your stomach goes in. At the count of 2, it comes out. So it's in, out, in, out. So breath out, in. So, right? Make sure that no other body part is moving. You don't have to move your head or jerk when you're doing Kapalabhati. इतनी force से हम करते हैं, मगर हमें सिर्फ force अपनी abdomen में feel करना है, right? And not on your whole body. So don't vibrate your whole body. Just feel the breath, feel the vibration, and work with your abdomen. So let's begin. We'll do 2 rounds of 30-30 breaths. Inhale. Take a nice deep breath, filling your belly, and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Second round again. Inhale. And begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Moving on to the next pranayam, that is Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. So let me show you how you do it. You keep your left palm into Chin Mudra, right palm into Vishnu Mudra, bending your index finger and your middle finger. आपकी पहली finger और middle finger को bend करिए. Thumb and ring finger, little finger open. Right, place your right thumb on the tip of your nostril, right nostril. Now, try not keeping your elbow up. Keep your elbow relaxed down, slightly rested on your chest. क्या होता है अक्सर हमारा हाथ दुख जाता है because we are constantly keeping your hand up. Try and keep your hand rested onto your chest, right? From here, again, keep your back straight at all times, very important. Try not bending your head right or left. Keep your head straight, right? What you're going to do is, keeping your right nostril closed, we'll first begin with the left nostril. Completely exhale out through your left nostril. Just watch once. We'll inhale, take 6 counts of inhale through your left nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Then we're going to close the left nostril and exhale through your right nostril. Again, inhale through your right. I will give the count to you. And then close your right and exhale through your left. This will be in the ratio of 6:6. Okay? So, let's begin. We'll do 4 rounds, not much. I think we're going to fall short of time. So, we'll do a brief Dhanishodhan. Okay, place your right thumb on your right nostril. Breathing out through your left nostril first. Close your eyes, please. And full attention on your breath. Inhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Exhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Inhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Close right, exhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Once again, inhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Close left, exhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Inhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Close right, exhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. One last round. Inhale left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Close, exhale right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Once again, inhale right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Close right, exhale left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Repeat. Release your palm. Just take one nice breath. Deep breath. Right. Let's move on to the next is Sheetli, which is much needed in these warm, extremely warm months to keep your body, your internal system cool. So how do we do this? You're going to take your tongue out, roll your tongue. Right, just watch me first. You're going to roll your tongue and inhale through your mouth first, right? Tongue inside, and you will exhale through your nose. Keeping your eyes closed, right? So you can feel the cool breath enter through your mouth when you curl your lip, your tongue. All right, so let's begin. Again, sit with your back straight, please, and chin straight as well. Right, take your tongue out, close your eyes, curl your tongue, and inhale through your mouth. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Tongue in. Exhale through your nose. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, Om 5, Om 6. Again, tongue out. Inhale. Feel the cool breath enter your system. Tongue in. Exhale. Inhale. Curl your tongue. Take the cool breath in. And exhale through your nose. One last time. Inhale, roll your tongue and breathe in. Sit with your back straight. And exhale through your nose. Relax. Moving on to our last one, which is Brahmi. Again, extremely beneficial in your vocal cords, right? Opening up your vocal cords because you vibrate your epiglottis in your throat. So how you're going to do this? Just watch once. You will place your index finger on your eyebrows, middle finger and your ring finger on your eyes, and the little finger, the tip of your nostril, closing your ears with your earlobes with your thumb. Right. So only you can feel your own vibrations. You might not be able to hear other. So what you're going to do is you'll take a deep breath, inhale, close your earlobes, and then exhale, taking a humming bee sound out from your throat, right? So inhale, we're going to do that 3 times. Inhale, and a shrill sound out from your throat. Again, inhale through your nose. Exhale. Inhale through your nose. And vibrate. Keep your eyes closed. Stay with your breath. Keep your palms on your thighs. Stay with your breath. Stay still. Keep your palms on your thighs back straight. Keep your eyes gently closed and feel the breath. Feel the blood circulate through every nerve in your system. I want you all to be with me here. Be with your breath. Now, just take gentle breaths and feel the flow of your breath. How does your breath feel now? Feel the length. Inhaling and exhaling. Feel the movement of your chest, of the lungs. Feel every cell rejuvenate in your system as you inhale and exhale. Feel the toxins release from your sweat glands. Feel the cool air on your skin. Find yourself feeling light, very light, light as a feather. Now imagine, visualize that you're in this big sphere, a round ball of white light. Your aura is white light. Protect yourself in this white light. Find yourself balanced. And now we will begin chanting Om 3 times as we conclude this practice. When we chant Om, we're going to chant by saying A, O, and Ma. It's divided into 3 parts. When you say A, feel the vibrations in your lower abdomen. When you say O, feel the vibrations in the middle, in your stomach, your belly. And when you say Ma, feel the vibrations up on your throat and going up towards your head. Keep your eyes closed, stay with your breath. So again, inhale. And chant. Om. Inhale. And chant. Ah. Inhale. And chant. Ah. Stay still. Find yourself at peace. And fill in your heart with a lot of gratitude for everything that you have. Bringing your palms together. And fill your heart again with gratitude, grateful to the earth, to the water, air, fire, ether, all the elements that you're made of and you dissolve into. And now rub your palms together, keeping your eyes closed. Place your palms onto your eyes, palms on your cheeks, and palms on your neck. And give yourself a nice hug. And fill yourself with abundance of love so that you can be loved. Right. Thank you so much for coming onto your mats and sharing your energy with me. And I hope you all bring this practice into your lives because it's necessary for everyone. And again, thank you and namaste.
Thank you so much, Ekagrita, for giving your valuable time. And I would like to welcome and thanks to Dr. Prabha Lamba from Graphicera University. Thank you so much for joining the session. And thank you so much each one present here. Because without your presence, no session can be successful.
Absolutely.
हर गुरु की सफलता उसके शिष्यों में निर्भर करती
बिल्कुल.
है. अगर टीचर है और स्टूडेंट नहीं है, तो no session can be perfect.
Absolutely. So I'm very, very thankful for you all to be here. Really. And I will be taking classes if you all are interested and to join. Most welcome.
मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करने वाली थी काग्यता कि if you can continue the sessions regularly so that we all can be benefited. It should not be one day, it should be every day practice.
Absolutely. If you all are ready, if you all want to together finalize a time which you all are comfortable, I can schedule a class for you all together. So when we have a group which comes in together as beginners, we can move forward, as we grow together.
Yes.
We can advance together in this practice. So you can find out whichever timing, and I'll be very happy to train you, train along with you, learn with you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you.
Namaste and good night to all.
And happy yoga.
And very happy International.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you, Kagrata. Thanks.
I hope you all enjoyed the session. That's most important.
Enjoyed the session thoroughly.
Yes, very
Yeah,
much.
it was a wonderful session. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful learning experience for me. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. I
Thank
really
you.
enjoyed.
Thank
Pleasure.
you so much, Prabha ma'am.
Thank you. It's nice to hear that.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
लेफ्ट कैसे करेंगे?